the Chinese do not think historically of conquering territory by force and colonizing it then and holding it the way the Europeans have and the way others have. The Chinese think, the general rule, that they will influence other societies by the majesty of their performance, by the magnitude of their efforts, and that they will then draw them into a pattern of relationships that is based on cultural and psychological domination, backed up by a military force which will be used, in a phrase I've often heard, to teach a lesson. Not to conquer so much, although indirectly that may be a result. So that's a different way of thinking.